Hey students, Armando here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the topic 2 assignments that you need to submit within the week. So I'm going to start with this value survey. Now I'm not going to read all the directions for you because it's fairly simple. So what I want you to do is go ahead and just, go over this information. But essentially what you're going to be doing is you're going to be ranking both your terminal values and your instrumental values in order of importance to you. Okay, so each category is going to have 18 different sets of value. And again, you're going to complete this assignment by simply ranking the 18 terminal values and then the 18 instrumental values. Okay, and again, you will be needing this assignment in a few weeks for a reflection survey that you're going to be writing. So again, keep this PDF handy. Okay, so when you complete this, you're going to submit it just like any other assignment. So let me kind of show you what a sample one looks like. Okay, so you can see here that the student took and they rated their terminal values. Okay, this is one separate thing right here. Okay, so you're going a 1 through 18 over here, and then you're doing a 118 over here. So this is one set and this is one set. Do not categorize them together. Okay, so you should have, again, 1 through 18 over here and a 1 through 18 over here. Once you complete this, then you're going to upload it just like any other assignment. If for whatever reason, again, most students are able to type in clickable in these forms, but if for whatever reason you need to download it, handwrite it, and then upload the form, that's fine as well. So most students are able to type this in, but if you can't do that and you need to download a blank form, then download it, write it in, and then submit that form. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the actual Rokeach Values Survey. And again, keep this form handy because you will be writing a reflection piece based upon the top 3 to 4 values in each category in a couple of weeks. So now let me transition over to the actual project intent. So the first form I want to bring up is right here. And let me go ahead and bring that up so that way you can kind of take a look. Oh, I'm sorry. You can kind of take a look at this project experience summary of intent. So the first form, it's kind of letting me know what you plan to do. Okay. So a couple of key factors is obviously you're going to name the organization in which you are requesting to volunteer at, or you already have approval to volunteer at, or what have you. I just need a name and contact information for that person. If it's email only, that's fine. If it's a phone number, that's fine as well. Okay, so just some contact information here. And then here, just a very brief description, okay, about what you plan to do. Nothing more than 1 or 2 paragraphs. It's just kind of an overview on what you plan to do in this summary of intent. Now, I get it. Sometimes you'll submit this form, then a week later, you're waiting for approval, or you got disapproved, or things change. That's okay. If it changes, all you got to do is send me a message with the updated information, and then we'll be good. Okay, so again, you're going to be holding on to this form because this is going to be part of what you are going to submit in week 5. And then the second form that will be also uploaded under the same assignment is going to be this project consent letter. This is nothing more than letting them know that you are a student in servant leadership, and this is part of your requirement. Okay, so your name, and then eventually if you can have the individual sign, that's great. If you don't see them face to face, you can always just type in their name. The biggest thing here that GCU wants is that you're getting some type of consent. And again, this final project does require pictures to be taken, even if it's a generic picture or if it's like a picture that came from the website. Obviously, we prefer a couple of pictures of your actual volunteer experience. If pictures is a problem at the location because there's underage kids or you don't have approval, then write that down or let me know at some point, and then maybe we'll just take some generic, at least one generic picture of the actual location from a distance or something that you picked up from the website or what have you. We will be flexible to make sure that no one gets in trouble and that the organization is okay with it. But again, 90% of students are able to take pictures without an issue. So this is just a consent letter letting me know, hey, I got consent to do this here, and you're going to submit this form and the intent form under the same assignment area inside of topic 2. So that pretty much covers everything you need to know for topic 2 on the assignment side. And again, if you get some value by physically seeing what to do on these assignments, let me know in the video comments below. That way, other students that are taking this course can see that. If you want to like the video, that's up to you as well. That way, more students who are searching for GCU and servant leadership, they'll come across these videos and they will get some value, because, not every professor does or goes above and beyond like this. I want to make sure I just continue to give value to my students, both in my courses and even those that find this course and are not directly taking the course with me. So that being said, thank you. Let's have a great topic 2. And if you have any questions, obviously let me know inside of the course as well. Thanks for watching.